to report inappropriate content. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report content of some creator TikTok. So all you need to do is follow those steps. First thing, go to your TikTok. For example, I'm gonna choose this account. Click on those three points up there. Now click on report. Click on report content. If you want to report a video, all you need to do is click on the share icon and tap on the report button. Follow the on-screen instruction. Let's see. Click on a video. Click on the share icon. Click on report. Now select the reason why you're gonna report this content. Is it inappropriate or like anything you want? Hate speech, anything. So this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.